Hello everyone. Today's our topic is opposite word. A word with a meaning that is completely different from the meaning of another word, that's the opposite word. Let's take some more examples. Happy, sad, up, down, day, night, big, small, hot, cold, open, close, in, out, soft, hard, first, last, near, far, full, empty, yes, no, long, short, few, many, fat, thin, dirty, clean, left, right, black, white, light, heavy, on, off. Now I'm going to show you a T.L.M for opposite words, which help you to learn opposite word very easily. High, low. High का opposite low. Long, short. In, out. No, yes. Day, night. Hot, cold. Rich, poor. Black, white. On, off. Wet, dry. Laugh, cry. Boy, girl. This is very easy method to learn opposite word. This T.L.M is very easy to make. First we need a small size paper, ice cream stick and a glue. We fold the paper like this. Same. We fold paper again like this. Then we fold and apply glue. Then we paste ice cream stick. Now we draw like this. Now we can write the opposite words inside the paper and our T.L.M is ready.